Hey everyone, we're here at Fort Cobb State Park today and we're going to go kayaking. Today's a little interesting. I've already been here twice today. In fact, I've been all over southwestern Oklahoma since about 6 a.m. this morning, and I'll show you why. So originally I was going to do this video with my Wilderness Systems kayak. However, when I got onto the lake probably about 3 hours ago, I saw this kayak for sale on a Facebook ad. It is a Neki touring kayak, and I found it for $200. It's been garage kept as well, so I figured to myself, you know what, let's go and buy this sucker and let's take it out. So that is what we're gonna do today. Now, I saw this kayak for like $200 on Facebook, and I was like, man, it's a touring kayak for $200? What? So I started researching it, and I noticed that Neki is what we now know as Old Town sea kayaks. And the more I started researching it, the more I realized this kayak is really good for $200. So I decided to pick it up, and yeah, over nearly 2 hours now that I've been in it, I love it. The only difference is the seat is plastic, and it's a hard plastic, so it hurts like hell. But other than that, I love this little kayak, and I am so glad that I just randomly found it today while going out to go kayaking. Now, she is a 14-footer, so it's the same as my Wilderness Systems, and it also has storage space in the front and in the back. It also has a rudder. Now, I have never in my life used a rudder on a kayak, so that's going to take me some getting used to, but I think it will be a good thing. I don't know. I've never used one, so we'll have to see. But yeah, that's currently what's going on. I'm just vibing here at Fort Cobb State Park. What I'm about to say is really going to make me look like a nerd, and that's okay. Right above me, we have a cumulus field developing, and that is usually a precursor to storms attempting to initiate. I mean, look at this beautiful scene, y'all. Absolutely a beautiful scene here at Fort Cobb Lake State Park. Now, you might be like, Mike, what is that? That is a watershed dam. That is, more specifically, the Cobb Creek Watershed Dam. And it was constructed in the 1950s to control major flooding. So on the other side of that formation right there is a huge drop-off. Here's the dam I was telling you about earlier. If water seeps up over this, man, you're having a bad day flash flooding wise, and I hope I'm not here for that. What a beautiful part of the lake I found. There are some turkey vultures over there. At least I hope those are turkey vultures. If not, I am very wrong with my animals. But I believe those are. And then there's another one right over here. Yeah, that's a turkey vulture. Well, we're almost at 6 miles. This lake has been extremely fun to kayak. I am actually quite surprised because I had low expectations. But it is absolutely beautiful, jammed packed with wildlife. And then we have boaters because it is Memorial Day weekend. And, you know, when they come flying past me, we get these big waves. And I go up into the air and slam down and water comes up all over me. It's fun as hell. I wish I had my GoPro on me right now, though, because you guys would be able to see some of that cool action. But hopefully I will remember it next week. But yeah, just absolutely beautiful day. About 6.40 miles in now to the kayaking session. Definitely did not expect to be doing this many miles today, but hey, I'll take it. I'm absolutely loving this lake right now. Everywhere I look, it's just trees, and I love trees, and it's water. On the water, though, the water is not very clean. So last week I was telling you about how rare it is to see clean water, and in Oklahoma when you're at lakes. And this is definitely one of those lakes where you're not going to see clean water. And let me show you. So, as you can see, you're able to see the paddle, but once I start bringing it down further, you quickly lose that green. So, definitely not a lake I personally would swim in, but there probably are worse lakes out there.